The Best of Jamaica 2020 Washington, D.C. Results Show. We asked and you responded, so here are the results of the Best of Jamaica in Washington, D.C. for 2020.
This is Nigel. With the new Digicel International app, he can connect with loved ones in so many more ways. Now, a click with Digicel International is a click to more. It's a click that gives support from afar. It's a click that sends money for the essentials. It's a click that pays bills easily to keep the lights on and the water running. It's a click that brings you closer to them and brings home to you. Download the new Digicel International app or visit digicelinternational.com.
What's the best Jamaican patty shop in Washington, D.C.? Washington, D.C., best patty shop. And it says Negril, the Jamaican Eatery. Now, you want to break it up? I think that's the way it was. Negril, Jamaican. How you would want to say it, ma'am? Eatery?
No. You're doing absolute. No, you
okay. No, me just want it. So we're in Washington, Paulo, and we're doing the best Jamaican local patty shop bakery. And it's the Negril, the Jamaican Eatery. Mm-hmm. Okay, thank you. And Paula's Eatery. So we're not going to try for goddess. Somebody in the background saying something else. So, folks, please, that's not one of the responses we want. Eatery or eatery or whatever that. Let that one slide, okay? Howard. So the best local Jamaican restaurant, if we said that. The Jamaican annual event you miss attended the most due to COVID-19. And the result is Jerk Festival, D.C. Jerk Festival, D.C. The best place to buy grocery in D.C. is, it's also tied two winners. But folks, here's another controversial thing. I'm going to call it the way we see it. Should we include Walmart with a Caribbean market restaurant? Don't shoot me. That's the vote.
It's the vote.
That's the vote. But I'm asking you folks, is Walmart, and you tell me if you're in Washington, tell me if Walmart, because we're going to pick up Walmart, tell me if Walmart has a variety of Caribbean grocery that they could compete with the other place, the Caribbean market. So it's Walmart is one winner, and the other winner is the Caribbean market.
Visit Jamaicans.com for more results on the Best of Jamaica 2020 in other regions of the USA, Toronto, London, and Jamaica.
Since the 90s, Grace Kennedy Money Services and Western Union have been connecting families at home and abroad. In the 2000s, we did the same, linking generous senders to grateful receivers. And in the 2010s, reaching people in every nook and cranny. Now in the 2020s, when loved ones are forced to be apart, we're here, keeping you connected. Grace Kennedy Money Services and Western Union. 30 years of helping you connect the dots.